Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the duplicate numbers you will remove. Select the column or range, Control plus Shift plus down helps, then apply conditional formatting, duplicate values so duplicates are visible. Once done, make sure to note whether you have a header row and freeze it to avoid deleting it accidentally. You do this because visual confirmation reduces mistakes and preserves structure. By highlighting first, you can choose which duplicates to remove or keep before making irreversible changes. Next, decide whether to remove automatically or mark for review. If confident, use Data Remove Duplicates, pick the exact columns, and click OK to delete duplicate rows. Alternatively, add a helper column using COUNTIF like equals COUNTIF, $A, A2 to tag duplicates numerically, filter values greater than 1 and inspect. Once done, you can delete filtered rows or copy unique values elsewhere. You do this to preserve control. Automated removal is fast. Marking lets you finish by verifying that only unique numbers remain. Remove conditional formatting and delete any helper column only after spot-checking results. Use unique or advanced filter to show distinct values and compare counts. Once satisfied, save a new file version so you retain a backup. If something goes wrong, restore the backup and repeat with stricter filters. One troubleshooting tip: if Remove Duplicates deletes unexpected rows, undo immediately. Inspect which columns were checked, then rerun with only the intended column selected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.